Hi guys and welcome back to all about the Canon XA40. This is Daniel Rosehill here, and this channel is basically about, you guessed it, the Canon XA40 camcorder. Something I wanted to cover briefly on this channel is how to use the Canon XA40 in order to record audio from a sound mixer. A very typical example of this would be if you're recording video and audio at a business conference. In this environment, Camcorder still reigns supreme over mirrorless and DSLR cameras, and with its two XLR inputs, the Canon XA series is perfectly equipped for this application. Another example might be recording a band at a gig. In both of these applications, you'll want to work with the sound engineer in order to make sure that you're getting the right output from the mixer and not something intended for other purposes, like driving a custom in-ear monitor mix. I did this pretty much a few days ago, and here's basically all you have to do. Firstly, you want to make sure that the XLR top handle audio master control is set to on, so that you know you're using the XLR inputs and not the camcorder's built-in microphone. Note that this switch can move by itself if the camera is being stored in a bag, so it's always worth taking the 2 seconds to verify that it's in the on position before beginning your recording. Next, you'll want to connect to the mixer. You can do this, of course, either using wired cabling or by using an XLR transmitter receiver system. If you want to play it safe and be relatively sure that you're going to avoid interference, go with good quality XLR cabling. You'll need a male to female XLR cable with the male part of the cable plugged into the mixer and the female into the XLR portion of the XA40. Next, you'll want to set your input to either mic level or line level. The difference between these is a little bit technical and has to do with how much amplification is being sent over the lead. Start with mic level and then check the levels on your camera. For best results, you'll want to set your levels manually. To do this, make sure that the AM portion of the top handle, that's the automatic manual switch, is set to M for manual. You'll then want to get hold of a pair of headphones with a 3.5mm input. You'll plug these into the headphones jack, which is located on the top left of the side panel on the right side body of the camcorder, and now you can monitor your audio live. Listen to your levels and adjust your manual gain as required by adjusting the gain trim. Note that if the output coming off the mixer is too hot or high, then you're kind of SOL. Nothing you can change on the camcorder is going to get rid of the clipping. In this case, you'll want to have a word with the sound engineer and get a lower level sent on the output running into your camcorder. That's pretty much it. Here's a quick sample of some footage that I recently recorded at a conference with my XA40.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the GSG Leadership Meetings 2023. I would like to greet you on behalf of myself and my institution, the Istanbul Financial Center. And I would like to say that we are very honored to be a part of this important gathering.